If you're doing any kind of DIY electrical work, home inspection, or even just checking outlets before plugging in expensive tools, a good GFCI tester is one of those tools you really don't think about until you need it. Today I'm comparing the KAIWEETS GFCI Outlet Tester with the Klein Tools Outlet Tester, and I'll show you where each one stands out and why one might make more sense for you depending on how you actually use it. Starting with the basics, both of these are 3-prong outlet testers designed for standard 120 outlets here in the US. They both check for common wiring issues like open ground, open neutral, reverse wiring, and they both have built-in GFCI test buttons. So at a core level, they do the same job and both do it well. Where things start to separate is in how they present that information and how user-friendly they are in real-world situations. Outlet testers have evolved quite a bit since their inception, and we'll go over some of those new features. Starting with the KAIWEETS KT301T, this really leans into simplicity and visibility. You've got a color LCD screen that clearly shows voltage, and it uses color indicators, green for correct wiring, orange for faults. So at a glance, you know what's going on. It also has bottom facing indicator lights, which sounds small, but if you're testing outlets behind a couch or under cabinets or behind a refrigerator, that actually makes a difference. Another standout feature on the KAIWEETS is the live readings. The KAIWEETS acts like a built-in voltmeter, giving you real-time voltage readings. And that matters because instead of guessing if an outlet is good, you can actually see what it's putting out and catch weak or inconsistent voltage before it causes problems with your tools or appliances. It also has the auto hold function, so if again you're reaching behind a fridge or squeezing into a tight spot, it'll lock the reading so you don't have to stay bent over trying to read the screen. For DIY homeowners or quick checks around the house, that's a really practical feature. Now switching over to the Klein Tools RT250, the build is solid and Klein Tools has a really strong reputation in the electrical world. The LCD is clean and backlit, and there is an added diagnostic detail. With this outlet tester, you can see how long it really takes for a GFCI outlet to trip, but this is only really important if you're doing more detailed electrical work. It also has an advanced detection system for open neutral and open ground, which is helpful if you're dealing with questionable wiring. Now both testers have the auto hold in the LED indicators, so they're actually pretty close there. The Klein Tools feels a little bit more geared towards professionals or electricians who want deeper insight, while the KAIWEETS is definitely more quick, clear, and easy to read results. So which one is better? Well, the right question is probably which one is better for you. If you're a homeowner, DIYer, or someone who just wants to quickly and confidently check outlets, the KAIWEETS is frankly hard to beat. The LCD display, simple layout, and easy readability make it super approachable, and it gives you everything you need without overcomplicating it. But if you're doing more advanced electrical work, troubleshooting GFCI performance, or just want that extra diagnostic detail, the Klein Tools RT250 is a really strong choice. So at the end of the day, both are solid tools, but if ease of use and quick readability matter most, the KAIWEETS KT301T definitely holds its own and is probably the better fit for most people watching this video. I've had a number of products from KAIWEETS, and I can tell you that they make a really quality product. They have a really strong reputation as well. So if you're in the market for a new outlet tester or know somebody that is, give it a shot. I really don't think you'll be disappointed. So hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.